What's your name?
What's your name? Cooper, where's your nose? What's your name?
Eyes.
Yeah, what's your name? What is your...
Eyes.
Yep, eyes. Where's your mouth? That's right. Where's your ears? What's your name?
Pepper.
How old are you? How old are you? Almost 2? Are you almost 2?
Cooper, can you show Mommy how to chew with your mouth closed?
How do you chew with your mouth closed? Very good.
Can you whistle?
Let me hear you do it. You do it.
You did it.
Can you do it? Let me hear you do it. You do it. Good job. You do it. Good job. How old are you? That's not how old you are. How old are you? Do you remember?
Mama.
Almost 2?
Almost.
2. Can you count to 5? Say 1. Can you count to 5, Coop? Can you count to 5?
No.
Can you count to 5?
Please.
Okay, can you count to 5? Say 1. Say 1.
No.
Can you say 1?
2.
Yeah, but can you say the word 1? Can you say 1?
No.
Say 1.
No.
Can you whistle? You do it.
No.
You do it. Good job.
No.
How does a pirate go?
Purr.
Remember it goes R, matey. Matey.
Purr.
Pirate. How does a crab go?
What?
How does a crab go?
Peace.
How does a crab go?
Nuts.
That's right. Snap, snap, snap. Very good.
No.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you wave? Like this, wave hi. Can you blow kisses?
No.
Blow kisses. Can you... What else can you do, my friend? Oh, you're so silly. You're so silly. Where's Cooper? Where's Cooper? Cooper, what do we do if someone's sleeping? Hey, what do we do if someone's sleeping? Cooper, what do you do if someone's sleeping? Do you go, shh, quiet? Shh, yeah. Very good. Yeah, we have to talk quiet like this when people are sleeping, huh? Shh. Yeah, that's what people do when they sleep, huh? Shh. Can you say bye-bye? Cooper, say bye-bye. Can you say Papa? Can you say Grandma? Grandma. Say Grandmere. Say Grandmere.
Mama, come on.
That's right, Grandmere. Can you say honey? Say honey.
Honey.
Yeah. Say Amber.
Over shoes.
Yep. Can you say Aunt M?
M.
M. Where's your M?
M.
Can you say miss you, M?
What?
Say miss you.
Missy.
Yeah. Say love you. That's a kiss. Very nice. Can you blow a kiss? That's not blowing a kiss. Can you say bye-bye?
Body.
Bye-bye. Say see you later.